Something that doesn't happen very often is getting a bucket list error. Normally this is applicable to your DTM. It may be that your DTM is corrupt and you therefore need to recover the data. I have beforehand done quite a bit of work to try and replicate a bucket list error in this case, purely just for webinar purposes. So in order to create this bucket list error, I've set it up accordingly. I'm now going to go and select File, Save As, and then save it as something else. Fortunately, we've got a rebuild database function to recover data from the damaged DTM. Let me show you how it's done. I'm going to click on OK. Let Civil Designer go through the process. And eventually you might have to go and manually close the project and close Civil Designer. Going back into Civil Designer, no need to recreate a project just yet. You need to, however, go to your terrain mode, go to Tools and select Rebuild Database. Select the DTM or DT8 file that you originally had the problem with. In my case, I'm then going to select another file because I might want to utilize the original file at a later stage. Click on Open. This function allows you to interrogate a damaged DT8 file and collect as much data possible before the damage was done. This is written in a comma-delimited ASCII format to another file for subsequent re-importing. Specify where you'd like to restore the data to. Once complete, go to File, Project Settings, create a new terrain file. I'm just going to select a current one. Remember to specify the correct projection settings, click on OK, and then import it like you would any other survey. You go to your survey mode, you go to File, Import, ASCII single file, select the one we've just created and click on Open. If you do have a name, you could insert that as a column header. Looking at the Y coordinates, just a reminder, if you're working in the southern hemisphere, your X coordinate will always be a positive. Specify your Z coord if you've got surface, and it may be that you've got additional triangulation information. For now, I'm going to leave that out. Click on Finish. I'm happy with the confirmation of coordinates. Click on Yes to import. From using the rebuild database functionality, we were able to recover the DT8 or DTM information.